Welcome Year 10 Apollo to your micro lesson on referencing and bibliography. Research is a cornerstone of organising anything. It helps you form ideas and questions that actually you get to look at what's already there and innovate and come up with something different. So in this micro lesson, we're actually going to look at giving you ideas on how you can research to make your final solutions more powerful. At this point in your high school career, no doubt you have been referencing. It's really important to actually give credit to those authors who wrote the words. And it says that I didn't write these words, but I'm using these as evidence to help me with my solution. No doubt many of you are on a trajectory towards university, and there are actually a couple of different referencing styles that you will come across in your senior years here and into university. Some of them are Chicago and APA. And remember that in Microsoft Word, we'll show you how to actually use the referencing tool in there, so it makes it much easier. So APA in-text referencing and the list. You'll actually have to go into these links and have a look. The reference list is always in alphabetical order. You only capitalize the first word, list of authors in the reference, and make sure that you correct things into the correct typeface, the name of journal, and so on and so forth. Here are some examples of an APA style. Now, as promised, I would have loved to have shown you this in real life, but we're online. So with your Microsoft Word, you're actually going to go into the reference section. This is in the desktop app, and go through manage sources is where you put all of the information for each book, journal, website, and then you actually use the bibliography button at the end. Now, it's really important that you have a bit of a play with this today. So when you create a source in Microsoft Word, you'll notice the type of source is up here, and it's really important that you choose the right one. This one is for a web page. You can go to the drop-down menu and find journal, books. That's the first step. Then you're going to put the name of the web page, as much information as you can put in, and then click OK. So here's a couple of different examples for you. The Australasian Journal, a book, and a website. This shows you the differences between what it would look like with a book, a journal, and a website. Okay, in your OneNote, I would like you to do this activity where these are the following references and you need to actually put them into the right APA style. For all our research, annotated bibliographies are a really important part of showing how we've actually done things, where we've gone, so that we can actually see the journey, which is very, very important when we're doing problem-based learning.